Together, we will make it better.
So the future of the industry really relies on finding a new generation of skilled workers. And we have to meet this new generation where they are.
Make it transform.
We certainly are capable of massive change should we all set our collective minds to it.
Make it smarter.
We forget that Cleveland was a home for innovation. It's literally in our DNA. It's time for us to reclaim that heritage.
Make it first.
Taking the leap around technology adoption is all about building value in your company. Reimagine what leadership is in manufacturing.
Make it better.
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 We will make it better.